Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Trendy and Fashion. I hope you all are doing good. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. Obviously by subscribing it. And if you are new to my channel then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way you can get all new notification of my videos that I share to my channel daily. I know you are waiting of my video. So guys, I'm here again with one of your another topic. It's about latest bob, stacked, A-line and pixie bob haircuts. Well, these all haircuts are really latest, unique and according to the fashion. So let's start the video. I will suggest you to watch this video till the end. In this way, you can get your favorite haircut among them, and let me know also which hairstyle you select for yourself. Well, according to me, these all hairstyles are really gorgeous, beautiful, unique, outstanding, mind-blowing and fantastic, no doubt. After getting this hairstyle you will feel like a model, because all models, celebrities, young girls, teenage girls, college going girls are getting these hairstyles. These hairstyles are really in this summer, and these hairstyles are according to the summer season and in the fashion and according to the trend. While these hairstyles are really beautiful, that these will inspire you to get them as early as possible as you watch. So guys, don't waste the time, just take a screenshot of your favorite one and go to your hairstylist. You can also download this video and go to your hair salon, and also let me know which haircut is like for yourself, while I am sharing all the beautiful haircuts with fashion colors which are on trending these days. So you can select one of your favorite fashion hair color among them. These all hair colors are really gorgeous. You can also go through with your base color as well. It's up to you. You know yourself than anyone, because you know yourself better. You know that which haircut and which hair color will suit you. While I am sharing all the beautiful haircuts and hair colors, you can select easily among them according to the fashion. I hope you guys like my effort. If you do, you can appreciate me through comment section, and also you can share this video to your friends, family members and social contacts. In this way they also can know about the latest version of hairs that I share to my channel. Well, I made video on the fashion and trend. After subscribing the channel, you will be get updated to the fashion and trend. So guys, keep watching, keep supporting and keep sharing the video. Your appreciation keep me energetic and keep me boost to make video for you guys next with your favorite topic. So guys, you can share also your ideas. It will be my pleasure to make video on your ideas. It will be my first pleasure. Your appreciation is really my honor. So keep in touch with me through these videos. I will be there in next video with one of your favorite and other topic. Till then, take yourselves and don't forget to remember me in your prayers also. And again, share like and comment the video. God bless you all. Take care and have a great hair day.